Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Contacts because Apple Mail uses groups from Contacts. Open the Contacts app or iCloud. Then create a new group by clicking the plus and choosing New Group. Name the group clearly so you'll recognize it when composing email. Once done, leave Contacts open. You'll add members next. This step ensures Mail can resolve a single group name into multiple addresses, saving time when you draft messages and helping maintain a clean address list. Now populate the group. Select contacts and drag them into the new group, or open a contact and use Edit Add to Group to place it. Make sure each contact has a valid email address. Group sending uses those addresses. If you use iCloud, Verify Contacts Sync is enabled so the group appears on other devices. Once members are added, spot check a few entries to confirm addresses are correct. This avoids bounces and ensures recipients receive the message. To send, open Apple Mail and start a new message. Type the group name into the To, CC, or BCC field and let Mail auto-complete it. Before you hit send, click the group token to verify Mail expands it to individual addresses. Make sure you're sending to the intended recipients. If the group won't resolve, refresh Contacts, confirm the Contacts account is enabled in System Settings, or sign into iCloud. Fixing sync issues usually restores group visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.